Welcome back to All Rustic, where we transform everyday spaces into warm, beautiful havens filled with charm and personality. Today, we're stepping into the delicate world of Victorian-inspired design, reimagined for tiny kitchens with a stunning DIY tea station that feels both elegant and functional. If you love cozy cottage aesthetics, vintage touches, and practical decor ideas, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments as we explore this inspiring transformation together. The inspiration behind a Victorian tea station. The Victorian era is known for its romantic details, ornate patterns, and refined elegance, making it a perfect source of inspiration for a tea station. Even in a small kitchen, you can capture that timeless beauty by focusing on intricate textures, soft color palettes, and antique-inspired accessories. Think floral china, lace accents, and polished wood tones that bring warmth into your space. This concept blends nostalgia with practicality, allowing you to create a tea corner that feels like a step back in time without sacrificing modern convenience. Choosing the perfect spot in a tiny kitchen. Creating a tea station in a compact kitchen requires thoughtful placement to maximize both beauty and efficiency. Look for an unused corner, a narrow countertop section, or even a small wall-mounted shelf that can serve as your dedicated tea area. The key is to keep everything within easy reach while maintaining a visually pleasing arrangement. By utilizing vertical space and clever storage solutions, you can turn even the smallest nook into a charming focal point that enhances your kitchen's overall design. Essential elements for a Victorian tea setup. To achieve an authentic Victorian-inspired tea station, focus on essential elements that define the style. Delicate teacups, a classic teapot, and a tiered tray for sugar cubes or pastries can instantly elevate the look. Incorporate vintage jars for loose-leaf tea, and consider adding a small framed artwork or decorative mirror to reflect light and create depth. These details not only add elegance but also make your tea station feel curated and intentional, turning a simple setup into a delightful daily ritual space. DIY decor ideas to enhance the cottage feel. One of the most rewarding parts of this project is adding personal DIY touches that enhance the cottage aesthetic. You can repurpose old wooden crates into shelves, create handmade labels for tea jars, or sew small lace runners to place under your teaware. Soft pastel colors and distressed finishes can give your pieces that aged, lived-in charm. These handmade elements add character and uniqueness, ensuring your tea station reflects your personal style while maintaining the romantic essence of Victorian decor. Smart storage solutions for small spaces. In a tiny kitchen, storage is everything, and your tea station should be both beautiful and functional. Use stackable containers, hanging hooks for cups, and multi-tiered organizers to keep everything neat and accessible. Wall-mounted racks can free up valuable counter space while adding visual interest. The goal is to create a clutter-free environment where each item has its place, allowing your tea station to remain inviting and easy to use every day. creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Lighting and ambience play a crucial role in bringing your Victorian tea station to life. Soft, warm lighting, whether from under-cabinet fixtures or a small decorative lamp, can create a cozy glow that enhances the vintage feel. Adding fresh flowers or dried floral arrangements introduces a natural element that complements the overall aesthetic. These subtle touches make your tea station not just a functional area, but a comforting retreat where you can unwind and enjoy a peaceful moment. Styling tips for a picture-perfect display. Styling your tea station is all about balance and harmony. Arrange your items in layers, combining heights and textures to create visual interest without overcrowding the space. Mix delicate porcelain with rustic wood and soft fabrics to achieve that perfect cottage look. Keep the color palette cohesive, and don't be afraid to rotate seasonal decor to keep the space feeling fresh. A well-styled tea station becomes a centerpiece that adds charm and personality to your entire kitchen. Conclusion: a small space with big elegance. Transforming a tiny kitchen into a space of elegance and comfort is truly achievable with a thoughtfully designed Victorian tea station. This project shows that even the smallest corners can hold beauty, function, and a sense of timeless charm. We hope this inspires you to create your own cozy tea nook at home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment sharing your favorite idea or your own tea station setup. Thank you for watching All Rustic, and we'll see you in the next inspiring design journey.